Greetings, car fanatics. This is my 2010 Porsche 911 Carrera S, and today we're going to be replacing the original 15-year-old HID headlight bulbs. We're going to be installing these new Osram Nightbreaker Laser Xenarc bulbs. These are about 4400 Kelvin, and they're apparently the brightest HID aftermarket bulbs on the market. You're not going to get the cool blue hue with these bulbs because they're all about light output and performance, but we're going to put this to a test compared to the old Philips HID bulbs and see how much brighter these actually are. Let's get these bulbs installed and put them to the test. To install the new bulbs, we need to remove the headlights. Pop the front open and peel back the carpet trim, which is just held on by a plastic clip. Remove the rubber grommet and then use the headlight removal tool that comes with the car to pop the headlights out. To gain access to the bulbs, we need to remove the plastic cover, which is held on by a few Phillips screws. We now have access to the bulbs and can put the new ones in. Now it's time to put the new bulbs to the test. We're going to use a light meter and measure the light output of the old versus the new bulbs. The old bulbs peaked at 110 lux, while the new bulbs peaked at 175 lux. This is a nearly 60% increase in light output. So far, this is very impressive. So we know the new bulbs are significantly brighter, but does this translate to the road? Well, the camera doesn't do a great job capturing the differences. In this shot, we can see that the right side of the road is better illuminated. In this next shot, you can see that the light intensity on the main part of the road is noticeably brighter with the new Osram bulbs. You can also see that the sidewalk area on the right is better illuminated as well. So there you have it, car fanatics. While it's hard to do justice to the Osram Xenarc laser bulbs on camera, they're objectively brighter based on our light meter measurements, and in person I have to say they're much brighter than stock. So for $125 on Amazon, these bulbs are a great buy and a great upgrade to worn old HID bulbs. If you're interested in purchasing these for your car, you can find the link in the video description and in the comments. Thanks for watching, car fanatics. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave me comments or questions below and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.